Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. In front of me Sony Alpha, and I'm gonna show you how to manage superior auto image extraction. Click on it. As you can see, I have this setting on my camera, on the camera settings, first block, third page of the first block. So here you have superior auto image extract, and what is that? Here I have auto and here I have off, and when it auto, so the camera takes multiple shots and combines them to create a single high quality image. So this helps in situation where lighting, for example when lighting conditions are challenging, for example. So in this situation it's very good to have this option enabled. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.